So imagine this, you have been investing in NPS for years and suddenly one question comes to your mind, what happens when I want to exit? And recently Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, PFRDA has made some important changes in the exit rules, especially for the non-government sector. So let me explain this to you. First, understand one thing, if you are part of NPS in non-government sector, you fall into two categories. One is the all citizen model and the second is the corporate sector. Now in both the cases, exit can happen in two ways. The first is called normal exit. This happens when you complete 15 years in NPS or you reach the age of 60. Even if you are not completed 15 years, once you turn 60, you can exit from NPS. And now if you are in the corporate sector, then your exit is linked to your retirement from the company. The second exit is called premature exit. This means you want to exit before the normal conditions as mentioned above. Now here comes a big change. Earlier there was a 5 years lock-in period after NPS account is opened. Now that is gone. Yes, that 5 years is removed. This means today you can exit anytime, even if you have not completed 5 years. Now the real question is, what happened to the money in the NPS account? So let us start with the normal exit. So at the time of exit, you can take 80% of your money as cash and 20% has to be used by an annuity. Now there are some special situations. If your total corpus is less than 8 lakh rupees, you can take the entire amount as cash, that is lump sum. If your corpus is between 8 lakhs and 12 lakhs, then you have the following options. Take 6 lakhs as cash and use the rest for annuity, or withdraw gradually using something called systematic unit redemption, or you simply follow the 80% cash and 20% annuity rule. And if your corpus is above 12 lakhs, you have to take 20% for annuity, then 80% you can take it out lump sum. Now let us talk about premature exit. Suppose you want to exit early. If your corpus is less than 5 lakhs, you can take the entire amount as cash. But if it is more than 5 lakhs, only 20% you can take as cash and 80% you have to use for buying an annuity. Finally, one very important situation, in case of death, the subscriber passes away, the entire 100% corpus goes to the nominee and the nominee has a choice. He can take the full money as lump sum or he can opt for annuity. So if I have to summarize this for you in one simple line, earlier there was a restriction on when you could exit, now there is a flexibility. The 5 years lock-in is gone, exit is possible anytime. But the way your money is divided between cash and annuity depends on when you exit and how much corpus you have in the account. I hope this makes the NPS exit rules very simple and clear for you. If you found this useful, do share it with someone who is investing in NPS, because this small understanding can make a big financial difference to them. Thank you for watching Learn by Choice.